Hi YouTube, my name is Shree. I am here to do a quick video. My favorite videos to watch on YouTube are always what's in my handbag and unboxings. I love to watch unboxings of anything really, especially vintage handbags and things that come from Fashionphile. So Fashionphile is a site that I shop pretty often. Well, window shop, I should say. I don't buy things that much, but I do window shop probably every single day on Fashionphile. And if you don't know about Fashionphile, it's basically a luxury website that sells anything from Chanel to Valentino, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, pretty much everything, you name it, it's on there. So I got a quick little bag. It's a bag that I actually had before. I have a larger size in this particular bag, and I just wanted another one, a newer one, and I didn't want to go through the hassle of buying one from eBay and then taking a risk on it being really damaged and having to have a lot replaced. Therefore, I just kept searching on Fashionphile, and this one popped up. It was an excellent deal, and in my opinion, it's in great condition. I've actually kind of unboxed it. I was going to do all that on camera, but the day kind of got away from me, and so I'm just now getting around to making this video. So anyway, if you know about Fashionphile, this paper is always wrapped around any item, and it just basically has a sticker on it that says "Use is the new," and it comes in a big box. Well, this one came in a big box, and it has a nail file in it, a little bit of these, whatever they're called. It did not have its original dust bag, but even when it does come with the original dust bag, Fashionphile will give you one of their bags, and these are very nice. I use them a lot, especially when I'm going out of town. For the larger size dust bag, I use it for my dirty clothing whenever I'm traveling. So this is my new to me bag. It's a Speedy. I have the 35. I've had the 30 before. I gave the 30 to my mom, and then all of a sudden I was like, I want another one. But I feel like this is the perfect size for starting out in the Louis family. As you can see, this one looks very nice. It's in excellent condition. I believe this is the year 2006, I believe. I'll have to check it out. This is a little tarnished, but that's okay. I saw a trick earlier on YouTube on how to clean it, so I'm going to try to do that myself. If it doesn't come clean, that's okay with me. I'm okay. And it came with the keys, stuffed. So this is the bag. I love it. It has these tags on it. Once I remove the tag, that pretty much means I own the bag, and I'm going to remove the tags. So yeah, I believe that means 2011. Okay, you can see that. It says 1106. Yeah. So wait. So the bag was made in 06. It's in excellent condition. There's no marks on the inside. It's very clean. So I'm very happy with this purchase. It is definitely a website. Fashionphile is definitely a website that I recommend you go on to if you are looking for a luxury handbag that you may not be able to afford to go into the store to pick up. I wanted a bag, but I didn't want to go through the hassle of the handles being completely white, you know, and paying that high dollar right now for it. So like I said, I got this for a really good deal. I'm very happy with it. I'm very pleased. I'm always happy with my purchases from Fashionphile, except one. I did have one thing that I had to send back, but it was a beautiful bag. It just wasn't the size that I was looking for. I was expecting it to be a little bit larger than it was, and it was a Gucci mini Marmont crossbody bag. That was the only thing I've ever had to send back, but it was actually in new condition. And here where I live, at the time that I ordered that purse, the Gucci store was closed during quarantine. So because of that, I wasn't able to go into the store. But anyway, I purchased that bag from Fashionphile. It was the same price as going into the store. It was brand new. It had all the bells and whistles, the box, the dust bag, everything. But like I said, when I got it, it was a lot smaller than I expected. So that was the only thing I've ever had to send back. Other than that, I've been pleased with every purchase from Fashionphile, and I've purchased a lot. Anyway, again, my name is Shree. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I think I'm going to do a what fits in my handbag video, and then go from there and see where this thing goes. Anyway, I hope you all will have a great weekend, and I will see you soon.